It is the most common joke in fast food history. You pull up to the drive-thru, you ask for a McFlurry, and you hear the 5 words that ruin your day. Sorry, the machine is broken. We have all accepted this as bad luck. We laugh about it on social media. We assume the machines are just old, or the employees are lazy. But what if I told you it's not bad luck? What if I told you that these machines are actually designed to fail? For decades, McDonald's and a secret partner have been running a billion-dollar repair racket right under your nose. And when 2 entrepreneurs finally invented a device to fix it, they destroyed them. This is the story of the $900 million conspiracy that keeps your ice cream melted and their pockets full. To understand the scam, you have to look at the machine itself. This is the Taylor C602. It is a massive, complex piece of engineering found in almost every McDonald's on Earth, and it is incredibly fragile. If you put in slightly too much mix, it breaks. If you put in slightly too little, it breaks. If you don't clean it exactly perfectly, it shuts down. When it shuts down, it doesn't tell the employee what is wrong. It displays a cryptic secret code like Error 801. The employees don't have the manual to read these codes. But do you know who does? The Taylor Company. Taylor has an exclusive contract with McDonald's. They are the only ones allowed to service these machines. When that error code pops up, the franchise owner has no choice. They have to call a Taylor technician who comes out, types in a secret passcode, presses a few buttons, and charges the owner $300 for 15 minutes of work. This isn't an accident. This is a business model. In 2019, it was revealed that 25% of Taylor's entire profit comes from maintenance and repair, not from selling the machines. They literally make more money when the machines fail than when they work. It is a subscription to failure. But then, the system got hacked. Enter Jeremy O'Sullivan and Melissa Nelson. They were a small startup team who got tired of the constant breakdowns. They realized the machine wasn't physically broken. It was just locked out by software. So, they built a solution. They called it Kytch. It was a small device, about the size of a phone, that you plugged directly into the Taylor machine. It hacked the system. Instead of a cryptic error code, Kytch sent a text message to the owner's phone saying exactly what was wrong, in plain English. Hopper is too full, or pump needs cleaning. It gave the power back to the owners. They could fix the machines themselves in seconds, without paying the expensive repair technicians. The device was an instant sensation. McDonald's franchise owners loved it. It spread across the country like wildfire. Finally, the ice cream machines were working. Customers were happy. Owners were saving thousands of dollars. But there was one company that wasn't happy: Taylor. Every time a Kytch device was installed, Taylor lost money. If the owners could fix the machines themselves, the repair racket was over. Taylor began to panic. They reportedly tried to get their hands on a Kytch device to reverse engineer it. But when they realized they couldn't compete with the technology, they called in the big guns. They went to McDonald's corporate. What happened next is the definition of corporate sabotage. McDonald's sent out a mass email to every single franchise owner. They didn't say, "Stop using Kytch because it hurts our partners' profits." No, they lied. They claimed that the Kytch device was dangerous. They said it could cause serious human injury. They warned that anyone using it would void their warranty. It was a kill order. Terrified of losing their franchise licenses, the owners ripped out the Kytch devices. Overnight, the startup was crushed. The ice cream machines went back to being broken, and the expensive repair technicians went back to work. But Jeremy and Melissa didn't go down quietly. They gathered evidence. They found internal emails. They found proof that Taylor was trying to copy their device while McDonald's was banning it. They filed a lawsuit against McDonald's for $900 million. They accused the fast food giant of false advertising and interference. And the craziest part? The government agrees with them. The Federal Trade Commission and the U.S. Copyright Office recently ruled in favor of the right to repair, specifically citing the McDonald's ice cream scandal as a reason why monopolies like this are illegal. So the next time you pull up to the drive-thru and they tell you the machine is down, remember, it's not broken, it's working exactly as intended.